Ramos.
Happy Memorial Day. I have my HDS 68. Today I want to see what damage I could do with the 4.6 gram heavy impact rounds. Also like to see how fast I could load these impact rounds into the barrel, recreating a self-defense scenario. I'll be using 1200 PSI output pressure with the pepper ball tank. 3000 PSI. I'm gonna shoot these rounds double barreled, so I get these 6 shots off in rapid succession. So we'll see. 25 feet. Okay. First shots. Yeah, didn't load it. There we go. Okay, so only one shot came out. Okay, double barrel. I think they landed high. Here and here. Okay, second shot. Here and here. Last two. I think we got one here, one there, one there, one there, one there, one here, one here. Okay, now I'll try shooting them fast. See how fast I could shoot 8 rounds. How fast I could load them into the barrel. Okay, so we have a little under 2000 PSI. Okay, loading it up. Okay, it's loaded up. It's all 8. Okay, we're gonna see how fast I can load these in. Ready? Starting 1. 1. 2. 3. 'That's the last one. They're all gone. Okay, I think I got 2 more here. I got another one here. Not very much damage. I think that is around 25 joules. but that would definitely hurt. Especially if somebody's wearing a t-shirt, that would hurt. Still left with some air. I think that was about 16 shots. I'm gonna load the Ninja paintball tank. Um, this is super high pressure. And again, I'm gonna load up the magazine. Shoot those barrels again, and I'm gonna find out how fast I can load these into the barrel. Oh, didn't gas it up. Sorry. All right, first shots. Okay. I think I just loaded. Okay. Oh, there. Okay, that was a disaster. One of them hit here. Another one hit here. Got some down here. So I started off a little less than 2,000 PSI, so I still have a little bit. And I'm gonna try accuracy test now. Okay, I'm gonna try accuracy test with the double barrels. I'm aiming for the bullseye next to the Ram emblem. First shot. Aiming at the bullseye. Second shot. First shot. Last shot. I was aiming for the bullseye, but I have to play it back, and I think they hit kind of low down here. Right here in these areas. Right here in this area. From the ones I found, not too much damage on them. Not really much damage. I found one that was broke. I'd like to thank you for watching. It's Air Guns and Crafts. I'm Ramos. Peace. I'm out.